Hi. So today we are going to discuss about multi-powder and combined powder. So combined powder we are going to create in BW on HANA and BW4 HANA. So combined powder is very important when you are working on BW on HANA and BW4 HANA. So we can create combined powder for doing operations union or joins. Okay, whereas multi-powder we will create at like no still BW on HANA. So mostly people will not going to create multi-powder in the old version as well. So in the BW 7.0 only multi-powder is as well available. There is no complete powder. So multi-powder supports only for union. Only for union. It won't support for joins. And also both objects will not store data physically. It is completely virtual. Okay. Okay. So in we can create multi-provider based on the info object, DSO, info cube, info set, aggregation level. Okay. Okay. So we cannot include multi-provider within the multi-provider. That is not possible. So we can create multi-provider based on the info object, info set, info cube, DSO, aggregation level. Based on these options, we can able to create it. And the navigation attribute we can enable in the multi-provider level. But before that, in the info cube level, we need to enable the navigation attribute. Otherwise, it is not possible. Okay. And execution, it will execute in the ABAP engine. It will be degrading the performance. Okay. Okay, it will give better performance comparing to multi-provider. Okay, it will execute in the HANA engine, it will execute in the ABAP engine. Okay. And also like no we cannot create multi-provider based on the fields. Only it is possible based on the info object model. These are very, very important. It will support for field-based modeling as well as info object model. Okay, these are the in the interview you need to explain these things. Every interview, every if you are attending the interview, in every interview they will ask the difference between multi-provider and composite provider. At least they will ask composite provider. What is the use of composite provider? Sometimes they will ask you what is the difference between multi-provider and composite provider. You need to give answer like this. Okay. Union means I will give you example. Union means yeah. Okay. In the mathematicals, yeah. Okay. So this is the union. Okay. Union means in both area union means same only. We are just combining. We don't require any common field. Okay. Okay. And we'll see practically how we will create the composite product, how we will create the multi-product. We'll see it. Okay. Composite product we have to create only at HANA Studio level or Eclipse level. Okay. Okay. Let me check. Go to HANA Studio. Here we will create. Okay. Select our right info area. Example, I will select this one. Okay, here I will create. Already somebody created a complete products, and again I'm creating. Okay. I'm just opening existing one. Okay. So I'm going to create new. Okay. Now I'll go to here, and before going to create, we should have ADSOs. We should have ADSOs. You can see giant providers and union providers. So for this tab also giant providers also they given add or remove, and also union also they given add or remove. So we should need to create ADSOs from where you want to create it. So whatever you are going to add ADSOs, that is part provider objects. Okay, let me check. So I'm going to create new one flow. Okay, there I will create the, okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I will drag and drop data source. So this is sales flow. I will get data from the sales data source. Okay, select this 1909. See here, now you can see this is the data source, this is the source system. Now I am going to create ADSO. Okay, now you can create it. Create ADSO. Okay, Z ADSO underscore 50. Okay, okay, and I'm creating based on the my data source. And go here and automatically it will come. Okay, all data sources, same relevant data sources. So sometimes it will take time. And what is our data source system name? This is. See, you can see multiple source systems. I don't record all. We need to select right source system. Select finish. So whatever you are going to create this ADSO, that we will keep into the standard ADSO. We'll see all these things. So I'm going to create. This is already available name. Okay, I will give like this 150. So I will create this as a staging advanced ASO. Okay. I'm going to create staging advanced ASO. I'm not keeping any info objects over here. Complete this is okay, staging advanced ASO. There is no keys for staging advanced ASO. Remember this point. There is no manage keys. No need to keep any keys for this. If it is a standard ADSO, then you need to maintain the keys. Okay. Now we have created this one. Now, what I will do, see here. Yeah. So now create the transformation. We have to load data from source system to ADSO directly staging advanced ADSO. After that, I will create standard advanced ADSO. In the real time, we'll follow the same thing. See, automatically mappings will happen because of these are all fields only. Based on the data source structure we created, right? Staging advanced ASO. So why? Because it is mapping automatically. Both fields are same. That is the way it is. If we have different, see, zero record mode, it is not mapped. But why? Because it is not a field. It is a info object. Structure is not there. Okay. The same field is not available in left side. Okay. And go here and I will activate this DTP and then next finish. Keep it delta. We'll see. Okay. And then need to execute. I will execute. Okay. What is the ODS column? ZADSO 150. And I will open my BW system. There I will check like no how many records came. RSMNG code. ZADSO underscore 150, right? Yeah, execute it. So I selected only radio button. data store object advanced. See, 60 records came. I don't have any activation table. So here you can see only new table or new data came. So now what we will do, go to here and again I will close this and now I will create new ADSO. This is standard, okay? In the standard, I will add few more objects, okay? Jet ADSO underscore 151 I will give, okay? Standard. So in the real time like this, we'll have to follow, okay? Now I'll create based on my requirement, not all these things I'll create, okay? So now I will select none only, okay? I will select none only. Or else you can create based on this info provider also. What is the DSO name? Jet ADSO underscore 150. Okay. See now it will come automatically. Yes. I'm creating based on this structure. Fine. Info provider, not data source now. And now I will go to standard ADSO. I will select. See, I have selected this option. Now it will create three tables. Now I will go to manage. And one more thing, so we need to maintain the keys. I selected these two. Okay. Now in the reporting level, okay, I want what I want. Okay. Here, few fields are required. Okay. So I will add info object. Example, material. I want material. Okay. I want material. And also I want customer. I want customer. I want customer. I want plant, company code. So I will take this all like no info object plant, company code. Okay. Sales are okay. And yeah, vendor. If you have any vendor, you can take it. So as of now, fine. I'll select all these options. See here, you can see info objects and fields difference are there. So info objects will have tables, but field we don't have any tables. Also, I need to take few info objects. See, customer is there, material is there, and plant, company code like this. And also, I will take few, like no, what that is? Zero cal day. See here, I will do one thing, okay? Also, we have calendar week and calendar year. So I'm taking all these options, okay? At one shot. Because in the report level, they want to see the what is the material I sold to the customer. What is the customer name? So here I can see only customer, but I don't see customer name. So when we are using info object, then I can able to see both. Okay. Now I will activate this. I already maintain keys, these two keys. Okay. Sales document number and sales order number. See, basically sales means customer. Okay, we are selling the product to the customer. So what product we sell, sold to the customer? What is the material? Product means material only, right? Which material I sold to the customer? How much quantity I sold to the customer? What is the amount of value for the particular material? When I was sold to the customer? What is the date? What is the month? Which year I sold? That is only sales, completely sales. Okay. Now I'm giving mapping from this one. Okay. See carefully here. So I'm going to map creation date to multiple calendar day. Yeah, see here. All are mapped it, but only calendar day. See here. Calendar day, I will keep it. Okay, let me go here. Sorry, it's opened it. Select and I will go here. See here. Mappings will come. I will remove this one. Then it will come. Okay. So here source level, we need to map it. Okay, fine. How to add in the source level? We'll see. It is calendar. I'm selecting, okay, I'm selecting add. So which field I'm going to add? So we need to search for it. So I know what is the field. Added, this one, creation date. Okay, I'm mapping to creation date, okay? See, mapping example. 1 minute. So map to zero calendar day, only zero calendar day. In the same way, you need to do it for other field as well. So where it is, so you can see here, where is the field? See, this is the right year date. So map it to cal quarter. Map it to cal month. Same field. Map to cal month. See, it is mapping. See, one field I map to all. You can see here. Is it mapped to cal quarter? See here. Is it mapped to? See here. Is it mapped to? Same field mapped to same. Okay. For one field only we did it. Now you can see this is conversion. Okay, you can see here this is conversion. For calendar day, it is not that symbol. That means it is not going to convert. It will be date only. So this is like no year, that means date, right? Date 8, date only. This is also date only. And the other all are converting. Based on the date, it is converting calendar week, calendar year. Calendar year means only 2025 has to come. Calendar week means it has to come which week we are in. Currently we are in 52 week. 52 week. Okay, for total year we have a 52 weeks. And calendar month, which month we are in? 12 month. 12 month and also 2025. This is only two-digit number. I mean 12 will be there. Cal quarter, which quarter we are there? 4. 412 would be there. Okay. Okay, 4.12 like this will be there. 412 would be there. Okay, 2025 4. So now we need to map these fields as well. Okay, 1 minute. We need to map these fields as well, right? Sales arc. So I know what is the sales arc field. Okay, we need to remember few fields, bro. And now Let me go here and I'm keeping like no direct assignment. What is the field name? I know VKORG. Okay. So this is the sales organization. I'm mapping sales organization to info object. Okay, I mapped it. And then what about company code? Company code also I know that. What is that company code? Bookers. Okay. Add field and bookers. Remember these fields. Okay. Real time it will help you. Company code. Okay. And also plant. Plant is I know. What is that? Works. Okay. We need to remember these fields. Works. Okay. This is plant. And how about customer? Customer this is ship to. We'll say Kunar. Kunar. KUNR. Kunar. Sold to party. This is the customer. Okay, what about material? Matner. Okay. Material is the matner. Okay. Yeah. These are the. So now you can able to see all these things. Okay. Now I mapped it. Whatever we added, all are mapped it. See, you can see all are mapped it. We added 10 info objects. All are mapped it. Now activate it. So before going to create composite provider, we need to create all these dependent objects. Without these objects, we cannot create it. Without ADSO, how you can, okay. So without creating transformation DTP, how you will load data into the ADSO? So we need to ready with all the flow. Once your flow is ready, then you can create composite provider. Okay. Now I am activating. You can load it. What is our target? 151, right? I'll go here. I will go back. I will go 151. Now you can see 60 records. Okay, activate it. So now it is activated. Now I can able to see 60 records. Okay, now you can see 30 only. 30 means only we have 30 records. Okay. Now if you want to see new table and active table, change the table. Go to active table. Now you can see it. Okay. It's good. So now you can see these are the web and this see these two are gray color means these are the key fields in this ADSO. Okay. Z ADSO underscore 151 in this ADSO, these two are kills, these two are key fields. Key fields, it will not allow null values, it will not allow any um, hash values. So for example, here we have a 00001, right? Uh, so for example, hash value, assume like hash value. Null value means nothing will be there, blank. So it will not allow. It will not allow blank values. It will not allow any duplicate values. So here you can see 1 1, right? 9 zeros and 1. So if you want to try to create same sales order number, 9 zeros and 1, it won't allow you. Okay? That means like no duplicate it won't allow. Null values it won't allow. Okay? And these fields will allow. These are not non-key fields. See, these are the customers. Material, calculator. See here, it is converted calculator 2021, 2024, 3, 3. You can see calendar day. Okay, here you can see 11/3/2020 means you are into third month, right? Third month means which quarter? First quarter. See here, which date you are there? September, right? 18/9 September. You are into third quarter. Okay, now here into October. You are into fourth quarter. Automatically it is converting. And this is month. Say you are into third month, right? You are into ninth month, right? You are into 12 month, right? See, automatically it will convert calendar month 2. So remember this cal month 2 means only 2-digit number. This is cal quarter 5-digit number. This is cal month means year and month will come. 2024 9. See here. This is date. Normal, right? Date. And cal week is different. Again. See which week you are into. March 11th means 1st January. How many weeks are there? 4 weeks. And February, how many weeks are there? 4 weeks, 8 weeks, and you are into 11th week. 11th week means what is the date? See, like this. Okay, understood. So till here we have taken info objects. Remember, okay, and also I'll show you VQRG. Okay, whatever we have fields, I will also bring them. Okay. Okay, Kunnar. So I'm taking all the fields. So whatever we have taken info objects, right? All data will be same only, both fields. What is the difference? I will show you info object and fields in the report level. Okay, I'm taking Matnar as well. Now you will come to know complete difference in the report level when I create on top of this. See here, this is material. This is also material. See, both data is same. What is the difference in between both? This is material, this is matter. This is works. This is works. That is works and this is plant. See, both are same only. And this is Kunnar. This is customer. Okay, this is bookers. This is company code. Okay. See, data is same only. In the report level,